the teacher with uploading photos to their gallery. So what's very important as the first step is to obviously choose the image that you want to upload and make sure it is a decent size so that it doesn't take forever to upload, and obviously for the parents, it doesn't take too long to download it. So what you want to do is once you get your image, on a Mac, you would just click on the file icon at the top and then click on export. And what you want to do is you want to just rename that photo. You can just call it photo A or whatever you want to call it. Where do you want to save it to? And then you want to change it to a JPEG. That's the best format for all the photos. It's still quite large, but if you see what it was before, it was 6 megabytes. That's a very large size photo. So you click on JPEG, and it's still quite large. So you just drag that down and make it 117 kilobytes. Click save. Look, it still says this. It looks exactly the same on screen, so it hasn't lost any resolution. Now we're going to click on add album. You can choose between your grade 1 or grade 3 class, for example. I want to choose the grade 3 class. You can call it classwork. Choose the photo. So this is your cover photo. That's the one we've just saved. And you click add to album. See, it loads very quickly because it's obviously a low resolution. You've now got 3 options. You can view the photo. You can edit the photo. So that's your cover photo. So let's just go back a step quickly. Let's just add more photos to this album. Now you can add multiple photos. You can basically select, you could select that photo, that photo, that photo, that photo, that photo, that photo. If you wanted to, click on open. So there's 6 files attached, and you click upload. So this will take a little bit of time, as obviously there's multiple photos being uploaded. There we go. So these are all the photos within your album. So let's go back a step. Let's go back to the gallery. So this is the album cover. Sorry, grade 3. Don't get confused. You've got different grades for the different classes you teach. You've got your grade 3 class here. So that's the album cover. If I click on edit now, there's the cover photo. So that's the photo that's on the cover of the album. If you want to change that, you could literally go to this one and say, I want to make this one the cover photo. Are you sure? Yes, I do. Okay, so that's now the cover photo. You can also rotate an image if it's incorrectly rotated, or you can delete an image. I want to take this back to the cover photo. Then your school gallery is everything that the school administrator uploads. So whatever the administrator's uploaded will appear over here. And then these are your class. If you taught, for example, grades 5 and 6, this will obviously say grade 5 and 6. Okay, I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, please email support@childcloud.co.za.